Hi guys, in this video I'll explain how to fix the problem where only one earbud works on JBL Wave Beam. But first, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new helpful videos. So first of all, check the connection. Make sure both earplugs are properly connected to each other. Sometimes just reconnecting them by taking them out and putting them back in the case is enough. So if it didn't help, you can reset the earplugs. You need to take them out. Press and hold till this indicator starts flashing. Great. Now, as you can see, they automatically disconnected from my phone. Now put them back into the case. The earplugs have been successfully reset, and now you need to reconnect them to your device. Remove them again. Then, in the Bluetooth settings, tap on the JBL Wave Beam, and now they are connected to the phone. Another tip is to update your software. Make sure that your earplugs have the latest version installed. You can check this in the app JBL Headphones. Go in there, swipe down a little bit, then on the support, and here you can check your software. So that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.